Imagine turning a giant warship into an aircraft carrier without using a single fighter jet. Sounds impossible, right? Well, Turkey actually did it. And the secret is a drone called the Bayraktar TB3. But what makes this drone special isn't its weapons. It's where it can land. Because this drone can land on a moving ship in the middle of the ocean, all by itself. No pilot, no cockpit. And that's where the story gets interesting. A few years ago, Turkey faced a challenge. It had a huge warship called the TCG Anadolu. Normally, ships like this operate fighter jets. But Turkish engineers had a different idea. What if a drone could do the job? That simple question led to the Bayraktar TB3. At first glance, it looks like a normal drone. But its wings fold, allowing more aircraft to fit inside the ship. And that was only the beginning. Think about this. Landing on a runway is hard. Landing on a runway that's moving through ocean waves is even harder. Now remove the pilot. Using advanced sensors and smart software, the TB3 can find the ship, line itself up, and land safely on the deck by itself. Very few drones in the world can do that. But the TB3 isn't just good at landing. It can stay in the air for more than 24 hours, watch huge areas of ocean, track targets, and carry precision-guided weapons. And in recent tests, it successfully launched from the TCG Anadolu, returned to the ship, and completed live-fire missions. This isn't just a prototype anymore. It's becoming a real naval combat system. And that's why military experts around the world are watching closely. Because the future of aircraft carriers may not be fighter jets roaring off the deck. It may be drones like the Bayraktar TB3. So what do you think? Would you trust an AI-controlled drone to land on a moving ship in the middle of the ocean? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more incredible military technology stories.